Aha, Okunda for now. Makunu wana eje egbu onwu na comment section. If you get Igbo otu. Oh, maka ndị na-eje egbu onwu na comment section. Onye Zion post ife. I say, come and get out. Onye mena na post ife. I say, go back to your roots. Ogbe na afọ na agada. Agugbola bụ onye Zion. Ọ na-eje Zion ministry. Mana o nwere give to ọrụrụ. Ọ na market, ọ na rent, ọ rụgoro ewu biko ba na arụ ọrụ ma whiskey, arụ ọrụ ma many people. Ogbe from eyeglass ọ na arụgasịrị the big men. If goes where rụkwara nke akwa, rụchakwara nke akwa with eyeglass na iko eji aṅụ mmanya ma mmiri. Design chair rụkwa ma nke nwunye wetere ya akwa na ọba. Akwa lesi anya, say thank you. Megini with 1 million naira. Them say thanks for getting, thanks for coming. If I get that now, Onya boy Zion ministry. 1. Oya goes up again. Oya omenana dibia. Man, I give one as comment section. Even an Agugbola, a tari condo omenana. Taha gasanana. Go abo fans aqua. Tron de Zion. Tari koha. Uno tari kochaha. Arabe metawagere. A jam got together. Made business. Korego. Hey! Almost social media goes in madi ife. I swear to God. Social media goes in madi ife. That no branding if on a bamba. Whoa. Agmebu. Matagata mabuano. Member. Pa! Every time we in Agua. A raw business. So, where are the online in-laws? Kezi nde Zion. Nakusunde omenana. Nakusunde dibia. Oguna afuga a member of Zion. Ewe na business bia na nka akwa na oba. Ga life oh. I got a life. Got a life. Me business ni huru ni nde na condemn dibia. Na condemn nka na page Agugbola. And only who zo deal, zo business, and we bundle now. But that's in 1 million because yeah, 1,000. I don't know 2 million naira or 1 million because that's in 1,000 10 rap, 1,000 10 rap, which means no 2 million. So who want that unu na agba war na onye akwụsịrị ebe onye ụka onye akwụsịrị ebe onye omenala agwụ na agbachago war na.
Wow. His Excellency, the Majesty, PPP, Akwa Okuko on the signboard in the Anambra State in Anambra State in Ladies and gentlemen, we are here in the city and the palace and the kingdom of the highest doctor, Akwa Okuko Tiwara Aki 1. Because the man called Okuko China. I'm not Akwa Okuko China that is original. I work at the franchise. Why may I do a fly all the way from Lagos, from United Arab Emirates, Attitude Unit Gold Class to present the product to His Majesty, the Doctor Akwa 1 of Anambra State and Igbo land. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a lot of stuff for His Majesty Akwa, and here we have the cup. This is a product from the Attitude Unit Gold Class. You know, Emana, we told you one thing: we don't do for everybody. Our product is not for everybody. It must be VIP and the royalties, celebrities that have money that can afford. Or what a product I on here to because all the way from United Arab Emirates. I had you know, before you had our product, that means and the men had that. Ogene, in fact, Ogene, you know, ladies and gentlemen, Iko, we're saying about a flower. The man are quite different. Aqua way home was calculation. They are here, VIP, Oba, VIP, Akwa Okuko Tiwara Aki, Akwa Okuko I never born, I never do also. Cow eyeglass. I'm Udugwa like you may have the gentle. Udugwa they may have the soft. You watch out, you know, in fact, would you hear it to Corobia? No, I'm going to decide and then way about Okone Doga, I know we don't water. All my followers all over the world only hear water. I know they are there. Only hear water. You know, they are here. You know, the golden egg. Akwa Okuko upon the China and cow golden egg. You know, they are Odoga. Akwa Tiwara Aki. From Attitude Unit Gold Class AU. Okay, Medo. One here for them better. Work better complete. Work better complete. Akwa Okuko Tiwara going to become. The ornaments. Only of interest na make sure you don't do my style to anybody. I will sue you and say I will not do it, but there's a difference. Oye gure boy na here we Shina Peter. Or Shina Peter going out for juju. For juju difference is clear. Oh no dey who akwa. Imano onya akwa se bi ko kudo man no ya wo dia akwa. Mo yesu too. Owa taking us this to get America. No be adreyamma. No be adreyamma. Ladies and gentlemen from AU, the semi-attitude unit gold class. Classic, classic, classic. You can never get anything more than this. And we make it understand to you that it's 100 years guarantee. 100 years guarantee. It can never be anything better than this. Anywhere in the world. Never when you're going to motor. You will let go. To a god, I will not my mother. Oh, to a god, to a god. Before you will tell you more before is when you got more of an I know will look a big jam years ago. Before you need to be getting out on a man will be married. Otu agodi. They were in that one. They were in there. So who was a man now? I like it. Them on your name more, and them by now. Maneka, even to the work on Kawa. Wow, from the Kune, Oboni, or that's in the society. Or that's in the your court. So you see your court. But is your good? No, you're going to make any market. But is your good? I like this thing, and I'm a never see that. I'll give you 1 million. Ogenedo, Akwa Okuko Tiwara watching it the doc with 1 million. Thank you for coming. 1 million or 1 million. All my followers and fans, 1 million for coming. Ladies and gentlemen, it can never be anything better. Let's love ourselves. But one thing I keep telling you is this: there's nothing can be better than loving your brother. I have a love at heart, despite all the internet one time Mama was saying Akwa come one day madna. Akwa Tiwara Aki Chukwu. Akwa na agba Chukwu mgba. Chukwu okike abịa ma onne na bụrụ nne ya. Enweghị mgbe o ji sị na ihe Chukwu na-asụ ya nsọ na onye mmanụ nke Caesar. Ya were nke Caesar nye Caesar. O were nke Christ nye Christ. Onye achọ na ebi okwu. Let's live in peace. God bless you. Keep sharing my video. My name is His Royal Highness Igwe Agugbola, Ezendibo, one of United Arab Emirates, all the way from Dubai. Present all our gift and our product to His Excellency Akwa Tiwara Aki, one of Igbo land, and one other one, one up on the China, and one also a man on the China, and even up on the China they wish.
Hola, come with a catch.
Oh, get it though. Oh, get it though.
Oh, dear man. We'll go back. I
oh, get it with the
I had a
Nada. Behind the jelly. Ijele wa oche mana si na Ugugbola ocha. Ugugbola ocha. Bazura bazu. What? You hang about over Christmas. What's the name? I don't care with the name. Akwa. Maybe I hear if you go to the line now, they go P. Not with the so that's why I'm calling it. What's it? Until the side. Yeah. What line up? What line up? Don't kid it. Akwa onyoba. Ijele.
Thanks for coming. Now, even now, be your brother's keeper. You open in them. We'll pass it now.
I love
you and I like you as
I love you too, my brother, man. I love you too, my brother. I appreciate you.
One love.
Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, that's the game. Thank you for coming. I know there. Thank you for coming. Yeah? Thank you for coming. Yeah? How about you get it on? White. So only a 3 or something, only a 3. So we'll 2. Then I will 2. Ash color and the other one. But then this one Adag. Oba. Okay, Lord. Lord life. Oh, Queen, right? What belly all Queen. All Queen. I come on, y'all. Oh, king and queen. They were in.